Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upload story on your Instagram account using your Windows computer. Okay, so luckily we have a solution, but there is no direct solution. Okay, but it's super easy. We don't have to worry about it. Just open your Instagram from your computer and right click anywhere on the page and then go to inspect. Okay, after pressing inspect you will be seeing these all weird stuffs. Don't worry about anything. You just need to click this tiny button out here. Okay, after clicking this button this will change like a phone. Okay, then go to the dimension and from here you can select any phone you want. For example, I'm going to click the 12 Pro. Okay, after clicking 12 Pro we need to refresh the page so that the icon will come out. Okay, for that we need to click Ctrl plus R and there we go, the page has been refreshed. Or we can do this, refresh, the same thing, but so after doing that we can see that we have got a new story thing going on our computer. From here we can easily upload story. As you can see, this is a picture and there we go, we can edit the picture and it says add to your story. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.